Hello everyone, this is Gerald Moses again. I welcome you back to my channel. We have another brand new video today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Klever wallet. In my last two videos, I showed you how to create an app, and I also showed you how to restore it. So in this video, I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough of how the app looks like and the features. So I'm going to show you how to swap, briefly how to receive and send, and also show you the features on the settings. And without wasting time, let's go to the app. You go to your Klever wallet app. It's loading. Takes a few seconds. Obviously I had set a password, so I have to re-enter my password. Okay, pin. I have to re-enter my pin, and then I log in to the app. So currently, as you can see, the portfolio total amount is $0.5. I have 14 accounts and 24 cryptos. So I can either hide or unhide my current balance by clicking on this here near the total amount. So when I click on that, it has hidden it. So if I click it back on, it's going to show it. So I have 14 accounts. As you can see, there's a Bitcoin account, Rev, Kusama, BNB, BCH, BNB, Dash, all this. We have Tron tokens, we have Wink, we have TWT, KLV, USDT. We also have Ethereum tokens, Binance tokens. We also have the Binance Smart Chain tokens, but I haven't yet added them here. So on the extreme right, when you click on it, you have news on top. As you can see on top here, we have news and latest article here. It's Bitcoin and energy. The next closest article written on the same day is blockchain, a universal language with no border. The next one is Swift borderless transactions in Africa by Klever. So these are articles, you can click on any of them and then you read. I won't click on any of them, but you can read this by yourself. So this part shows the news. The next part I've clicked on shows the browser, explore the crypto world. So you can enter here any URL. You can enter here any URL and then you search. I won't search for anything right now. The next one obviously is this. It shows the portfolio. I've told you about this already. And then you can, by the way, add tokens. My portfolio right now is $0.5, but I'm sure I have some other tokens which are not yet added. So I'm going to click on this near the word search coin. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to search. I think I had some tokens in BTT, the BitTorrent token. So I'm going to add it here, and I'm sure my balance will increase. So I'm going to enable the BTT token, which is a Tron. It's on the Tron blockchain. So I'm going to enable BTT. It's now enabled. It's going to, let me refresh. Remember, I had 24 cryptos. Now it's going to go to 25 cryptos, and my balance, yes, you can see my balance has increased to $3.3. So which means I had more money, but just because I had not yet activated BTT. As you can see, Tron tokens BTT is here. It's $2.76. So that's how you add a token. You search for it and then you enable it. It can either be a smart chain on Tron or Ethereum, any. But you can see how I've enabled it. So you go to swap. So this one swaps. You can convert or swap from any currency to another. Right now it shows I can swap from Tron to USDT. But there are many swapping mechanisms on the app. Let me type BTC. Here we go. I've clicked on BTC. You go back. So I didn't search for it. BTC. Click on it. So I can swap BTC to USDT, as you can see. I can swap BTC to Klever. I can swap Klever to BTC. There are really very many swap options. I'll leave that to you to find out by yourself. I won't do it now, unless in the next videos when I'll do a live swap. But for this video, I won't do any transaction. I won't do any swap, but you can swap it for any of this. There's KLV, which is a TRC20 token. There's BUSD, which is a BEP20 token. BEP20 means it's on the Binance Smart Chain. There's also BUSD, which is also a BEP20 token. USDT, ERC20, USDT, TRC20. So I won't really go deeper into this, but that's what you can do. You can swap. We go to settings. We have the address book. Address book is here. You can add contacts, whereby you can select a few people you frequently send your tokens to, whereby you don't have to manually enter the complicated wallet address all the time. So the next time you're going to send crypto, you just click on address on the contact and then you send that. I won't really show you how to add that. Maybe in the next video I'll show that to you. I just wanted to show you that. You can invite friends and then you earn some referral fees when they make transactions. As you can see, no one has yet used my referral, and also obviously the invited users is 0, and then the commissions are also 0. You can buy crypto with a Visa card, MasterCard. I won't show you this. The next time I'll show you this. You can also change the theme into dark mode. You enable that theme change. However, you will still need to restart the app so the changes can take effect. Would you like to do it now? Yes, I'm going to restart it. It is restarting now. I'm restarting it into dark theme from the light theme, the normal theme. Just wait a few seconds. Yes, here we are. I have to re-enter my password. So we now have the dark theme. It's going to load. Yes, everything is now dark. Let's go back to settings. Still, you can change the language to any of your preference. The languages are here: French, Netherlands, Dutch, Portuguese, Espanol, that's Spanish. I won't change that. You can also change the currency. There are very many currencies here: USD, CAD, Euro, all these currencies, most of the fiat native currencies. I'm going to look for our currency, which is UGX. Here we are. So currency change to UGX. The price of the tokens will be updated as soon as new request is made on the portfolio screen or the balance screen. So I press OK. So I've changed the currency to UGX. So when we go back to our portfolio, the currency would have changed from USD to UGX. So you can also back up your wallet by doing this. You enter your PIN and then you follow the procedures. I won't do this also. I showed you how to do this in my first video. So in case you had forgotten to back up, you can back it up now. I won't do that. So you can always, there's also security. Let me activate biometric. Let me activate the fingerprint. But before that, I have to enter my PIN first. I'm going to activate my fingerprint. It's loading. So check your biometric. Here we go. So the next time I open the wallet, I'll be required to use my fingerprint. So down here we have the social media channels of Klever. That's Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Discord. So when we go, let's go back. This is browser. So my portfolio is here. I have to update it. It has to change into UGX from dollars. Yes, it's here. So that means my portfolio has now changed into Ugandan shillings. That is 11,600. So ladies and gentlemen, that is a brief overview of how subscribe and share. Thank you.